Good afternoon, parents and guardians. My name is Mr. Guevara. You may call me Mr. G. For those of you who cannot say Mr. Guevara, I also let students know that they can call me Mr. G as well. For those of you who may not know me, I also am a coach on campus. I coach freshman football as well as track and field, shot put and discus. Let me go off by starting with the syllabus for this year for college prep global studies. Again, I am the instructor, Mr. Guevara, or you can just call me Mr. G. I'm in room 309 over by the 300 building, so I am across the way from the culinary arts building. My email is right there, cguevara@guhsd.net. Now, if you need to communicate with me in any way, shape, or form, you can email me any time of the day. I typically respond within 24 hours, unless it's the weekend, which I'll respond back within on Monday. If you need to speak to me over the phone for whatever reason, I am more than happy to give that to you. Just send me a brief email real quick, and I will give you the phone number to my classroom. So let me just give you a quick overview of global studies, first of all. So global studies is a year-long course that will use the field of geography to study Earth's physical systems and human geography topics such as world culture, politics, religion, and human-environment interactions, among other themes. Additionally, this class will fulfill the Grossmont Union High School District technology requirement, incorporating lessons in digital literacy and digital citizenship. Students must earn a passing grade in global studies to receive social science and technology graduation unit or graduating credit. So in this classroom, we are going to be looking at how to use our Chromebooks and how to use technology in the classroom. But specifically, we're going to be looking at world cultures and how humans interact with the environment and how humans interact with other humans as well. Here is the overall breakdown how I do my grading scale. 70% of the grade in this classroom covers classroom work, homework, and participation, and the 30% is assessments such as tests or quizzes, projects, and essays that we're going to be doing in this class. Again, majority of our coursework in class will be on paper and will be turned in prior to assessments for each unit. Some assessment or assignments such as project and essays may be turned in digitally, but for those things that are turned digitally, I will let the students know. If there are other unforeseen events, please communicate with me immediately as possible so that we can come up and arrange other things. Attendance, students are expected to be in their assigned seats when the bell rings. Anybody who is not in their seats will be marked as absent. Again, communication, please check your emails frequently. Not just for my class, but other classes as well. Also, the official grade for this course is going to be on Infinite Campus. So please, I tell these students every single week, please check your Infinite Campus grade because that is the official grade that we'll be going off of. Schoolwork expectations. All schoolwork should be completed by the student and not shared with other students. School code for plagiarism will be enforced with all work turned in. Disciplinary measures include a 0 on said assignment. The student will be issued a referral, and the parents or guardians will be contacted for disciplinary measures will be taken on following offenses. So again, I tell the students again, please, please, please work on your assignments on your own. There are times where students can work with other partners, and at that point, which I will let them know, hey, at this time you can work with other students, or if they're doing group projects, they're allowed to share each other's work. Again, attendance, please be on time. Electronic devices. Cell phones are never to be out or used in the classroom. I've told students many times, if I see phones out and about, I will take them away. Same thing goes with wireless headphones. Wireless headphones have become an issue over the years, and I have taken headphones away, and they will get them at the end of the period. With that being said, there are opportunities, however, for students to use their headphones in class, but that will be during independent work time. Which typically is about maybe 10 to 15 minutes toward the end of the period. So as long as the student can not use their electronic devices beforehand, they can use their headphones to listen to music or to use it to watch videos on our Chromebooks for digital assignments. Supplies and materials, again, all the material will be provided to students in terms of paper assignments. All students are expected to have a ready utensil with them. Also making sure that they have a charged Chromebook. We do not have any chargers for these new Chromebooks. These are newer Chromebooks than we have had in the previous year. So unfortunately, I do not have chargers that they can borrow for the most part. I do have extension cords that they can use in class, which is totally fine. Food and drinks are only the only type of food and drink allowed in the classroom is water, and they must drink it outside. Everything else is not allowed in the classroom. Again, the classroom is based on respect. Please listen to other students' opinions. Again, this classroom, we are going to be discussing other world cultures and religions and just the way how people interact with one another and the way they live. So again, we are going to be looking at a vast variety of different cultures around the world. Statements of bigotry, intolerance, and racism will not be tolerated. At that point, you will be, or the student will be given a referral for that. And any other question, parents? Most of you already saw the syllabus. Please feel free to let me know if you have any other questions, comments, concerns. Again, my email is here at the very top. Other than that, have a wonderful rest of the school year. Look forward to working with all of you.